what is a pull or what is a push. In the same way, sometimes we use a pull or push in some cases or in day-to-day life, and also how the effects are going to be taken place on force, in how it is proved that force is acting on objects. Yes, force is acting on objects, how it is proved. See, nowadays we have learned that force is acting on an object that can be known easily. But in previous, that is in ancient times, they proved that it is invisible. The force is acting on an object, but it is invisible. How it is invisible? That is, can't be observed and also can't be noticed. When it is noticed, when the body is moved forward or backward, or it is in pull or push, that can be known that a force, something is acting. Something is acting. It is nothing but force. Yes. In easy form, we say that it is a pull or push. See, and also in the same way, how this force in each and every case in day-to-day life, and also how the effects are going to be act on objects. What are the uses? Everything will be known in this lesson. Force, effects of force, and the uses. Yes, understood? And also, and one more thing. What are the examples? To understand you, what are the examples are there to be known in day-to-day life? I am going to tell you now. See, for example, zip. That is zip on a bag. Yes, and that means closing and opening. Closing and opening. Removing and opening and closing of a zip, and also windows. Here also windows. When you slide a window by opening and closing, there is also a force is acting. Yes, that is a pull or push. Lifting a bag is also a pull or push, and the weight lifting. Yes. Some more examples like pulling a cart, pulling a bag, pulling a nail. Yes, these are some of the examples for pulling where the force is acting. Yes, and also where the pushing is more, pushing a car. Yes, pushing a car, and also pushing a weight bag. Yes, some more examples there also. In pushing, in pulling, we are going to act something. What is that something? A force. Yes, something is nothing but a force. In that pulling or pushing, we are acting. Something is acting. Something, a weight is acting. That is nothing but only force. Yes, and here we can notice that we can't see and it is invisible. Totally the word is invisible. We can easily say that something is acting. It is nothing but a force is acting in each and every body, and also in each and every movement. We are going to use a pull or push. That is nothing but force. Yes, understood? In the same way, we are using something force, and in they having a types of forces. That is nothing but types of forces. We are going to learn types of forces. There are two types of forces. They are contact force, and also field force. Contact force or field force. These are the two types of forces we are going to act the force. See, contact force means it is act direct. There is no interacting between two objects. The physical quantity, the physical contact is going to be used in this contact force. It is nothing but contact. Field force is also nothing but distance of force. Distance of field. That is nothing but distance field. So this distance of field can be known how it is observed. That is, distance of field is applied on an object, and a contact force is applied on a object. It can be known how? It can be known that here interacting between two objects, a physical quantity, a physical contact is used on a body. Means direct physical contact is applied on a body. It can be known that a contact force is acting on a object. In the same way, a field force is acting on an object. It can be known that is when two interacting bodies are acting. Here, any support, there is no support. There is no any physical contact. There is no physical contact is required. Means support. There is no any support. Directly it will be acting an object, that is known as field of a distance. Okay, contact force, field force, did you understand? In the same way here under contact force there are four types. They are muscular force, and normal force and tension. Muscular force, normal force, and also here can you see some of the forces and also magnetic force also can be known easily. Normal force and also force of friction. Force of friction. Yes, under field of a distance we see three forces: magnetic force, gravitational force, magnetic force and gravitational force, and also the electrostatic force. Yes, these are the four forces are acting under contact force. These are the three forces are acting on a field of a distance. See how these are acting. Direct physical quantity. They have some of the interacting between two objects. It is acted. Muscular force, normal force, tension force, force of friction, and also these act on other body by interacting with each other. So it is nothing but contact force. Here there is no attractions, there is no interacting between any objects, but also a physical quantity, that is there is a field distance. A force are acting. Magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force are acting on the field force. Here, in briefly about these forces we will be explaining in the next class. So, I hope everyone understood the first lesson, that is how the pull and push and everything. See children, everyone observe in your day-to-day life where you are acting, where you are pulling, where you are acting a force on each and every object, and notice I am just note down in your note.